Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. I have already given you 3 lectures on the Indus Valley civilization, and this is the final part of my lecture on this civilization. In my today's video, I am going to discuss with you about the socio-economic and religious life of the Indus Valley civilization and about the different causes of the decline of this civilization. First of all, the socio-economic and religious life of Indus Valley civilization. One thing we have to remember that the socio-economic life of the Indus Valley civilization was very much systematic and organized. The Indus Valley population consisted of different races. The Indus Valley population consisted of different races like Australoid, Mediterranean, Mongoloid and Alpine races. Even the Harappan society consisted of different groups of people like priest, ruler, trader, cultivator, laborer and craftsman. In the Harappan society, both men and women, they used 2 pieces of cloth and they used different types of ornaments and different types of cosmetics also. I repeat once again, in the Harappan society, both men and women, they used 2 pieces of cloths and they also used different types of ornaments and different types of cosmetics. The economic life of Indus Valley population. Agriculture was the main occupation of the Indus Valley civilization because the river Indus and its tributaries made the land very fertile, and that's why agriculture was the main occupation of the inhabitants of this civilization. Wheat and barley were the 2 major crops of this civilization. But apart from these 2 major crops, many other crops were grown in this civilization like dates, rice, mustard, sesame, field peas were also grown in the Indus Valley civilization. In fact, a fragment of cotton cloth has been found at Mohenjo-daro and it indicates that the Harappan civilization also cultivate cotton. So, agriculture was the main occupation of this region because the river Indus and its tributaries made the land so fertile. Animals such as ox, goat, sheep, pig and buffaloes were domesticated in the Indus Valley civilization. Apart from these animals, cats and pigs were regarded as pets. So, domestic animals were ox, goats, sheep, pig and buffaloes, and cats and dogs were regarded as pets in this region. One thing to remember, the humped bulls were very much favored by the Harappan people. The humped bull was most famous animal in this region. Donkeys or asses and camels were possibly used as beasts of burden. Beasts of burden means they used to carry different burden. So donkeys or asses and camels were possibly used as beasts of burden or to carry different burden. And some remains of horses have been found at Surkotada. Recently, some remains of horses have been found in Surkotada. Craft. The Indus Valley Civilization or the Harappan civilization witnessed the growth of several new art and craft. They were very excellent potters. They used the potter's wheel very skillfully and they made different types of pottery of different size and different shapes. Metal work. Copper and bronze were very much popular in the Indus Valley civilization. Copper and bronze were mainly used to make different vessels, utensils, tools, ornaments and weapons. I repeat once again, copper and bronze were very famous, were very popular in this civilization. They made different types of vessels, utensils, tools, weapons and ornaments by using copper and bronze. But one thing to remember that they also used gold and silver. They not only used copper and bronze, the Harappan people also used gold and silver, but copper and bronze were much famous, much popular. Different types of bronze statue, different types of bronze figures of different animals and human beings were manufactured by the Harappans very skillfully. They made different types of bronze statue, bronze figures of human beings and animals with great skill. For example, the bronze statue of a dancing girl. Trade and commerce. A massive dockyard has been found at Lothal in Gujarat, and this massive dockyard of Lothal might have been used for loading and unloading ships. And this proves that this civilization was engaged both in internal and international trade. This civilization was engaged both in internal and international trade. Harappan trade links extended to the cities of Mesopotamia because almost 24 of Harappan seals has been found in Mesopotamia. So, I have given you some basic information about the social and economic life of the Indus Valley civilization. Now, I would like to discuss about their religious life. Religious life of the Harappan civilization or Indus Valley civilization. The inhabitants of the Indus Valley region, they worshipped gods in different forms of animals, trees and human beings. According to different archaeological sources, we can say that the people of this civilization worshipped God in form of animals, human beings and trees. There are so many evidences that indicates the linga worshipped. They also worshipped the mother goddess. Even the people tree was held very sacred, and the Harappan people also worshipped the sacred people tree. The presence of amulets indicates that the Harappan people also believed in the evil spirit. In fact, there are so many evidences that indicates the linga worship also. Like the Egyptians, the Harappan people also believe in the life after death, and that's why they buried the dead with different items such as food, ornaments, and utensils. So it was a brief discussion about their socio-economic and religious life. Now I am going to discuss about the decline of this great civilization. The Indus Valley civilization or the Harappan civilization was a very planned civilization, very developed civilization. But this civilization also came to an end at a certain point. This civilization came to an end approximately 1750 BCE. This civilization came to an end around 1750 BCE. There are so many debates regarding the causes of the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Mainly, there are three main causes behind the decline of this civilization. First of all, the natural disaster. Regular floods and earthquakes. These natural disasters played a significant role behind the decline of this civilization. So, natural disasters like regular floods and earthquakes were responsible for the decline of Indus Valley civilization. Secondly, changes in climate. Changes in climate greatly affected the lifestyle of this civilization. And ultimately, the foreign attacks by the Aryans was the main cause of the decline of Indus Valley civilization. But one thing to remember that the Harappan civilization declined, but the culture of this civilization survived in different forms in the surrounding region. So, in this video, I have given you a very basic information about the socio-economic and religious life of the Indus people and about the decline of this civilization. But one thing I would like to say that we get all these informations from different archaeological sources, and one thing to remember, these sources gives us just some clues, and by many historians, many archaeologists, these sources and these clues are interpreted differently, and we get all these informations by different archaeological sources, and still different various types of researches are going on regarding this civilization. I hope I have cleared all the points in my 4 lectures. Still, if you have any doubts and suggestions, please comment me below. Thank you.